Welcome to Celeb Jazz. My name is the one, the king himself. As always, it's a breaking news and we couldn't wait but to give you some of the pictures as you see. Kitalo nnyo kitalo ddala eky'omukulu amanyiddwa nga Ibrahimu Muwanga Kibirige era nga ono wetwogerera afudde. Kitalo nnyo, kitalo nyini ddala. A Ugandan businessman Dr. Ibrahimu Muwanga Kibirige, famously known as BMK, has died. Kibirige, who is also known as BMK, is said to have died on September 10th from Nairobi, Kenya after a period of illness. Guno nno si gwe mulundi gwokka gwe basoose omubika, bamubise okumala ebbanga ddene nnyo yatujjukira ne mu 2019 ku kivulu kya Samisa Kisemakula era still yavaayo neyeeyoleka oluvannyuma lw'okugamba muno abantu bali batandise okuba nga bamubika. A close member, family member, Engineer Mubarak Ngobi told Daily Monitor that he on Friday spoke on phone to Mr. Kibirige at around 5:30 a.m. before Mr. Kibirige was pronounced dead shortly after. Popular among his multiple business establishment is Hotel Africana and the BMK Group. Engineer Ngobi also said the family is making arrangements to have the entrepreneur's body transported from Nairobi to his ancestral village in Nkowe, Wakiso district in central Uganda. Omubiri go mugenzi bagenda kwa bagujja Nairobi mu Nairobi hospital baguvuge baguleete mpaka wano mu Uganda era gutwalibwe wali Enkowe mu Wakiso district wano ennyini mu central Uganda. Uganda entrepreneur and politician Mike Mukula has joined several people to okungubagira Dr. Kibirige era mu bigambo byagambye bw'ati ku Twitter. We have lost one of the most enterprising people in Uganda. Very humble, juvenile, generous, very religious, extremely very understanding, a patriot and a nationalist. Mr. Mukula bw'atyo bw'agenze kuki ku Twitter. Story eno tukyagigoberera era nga tugenda kuba tukutuusaako more of the news wano nyine ku Celeb Jazz nenga sagala weerabire muna mawulire mannyo gavuddeyo ne gawandiika ku nsonga z'omukulu BMK okufa okuli amawulire ga Chimp Reports, okuli Daily Monitor, New Vision, okuli amawulire gamanyiddwa nga The Tower Post, okuli amawulire agamanyiddwa nga Daily Express News, The Eagle n'amalala mangi nnyo ne Matoke Republic evuddeyo neeyogera ne Bike Uganda era munnange ne Power Times bakonfamize muno omukulu amanyiddwa nga BMK CEO wa BMK Group amaze okuba nga akolaki ng'afa wabula bye bino ebitonotono ebibadde bikwata ku Hajji Muwanga Kibirige era nga ngenda kuba nyongera okuba nga nkolaki nga mbikutuusaako emu ku profile yo bane biography ze nga ezibadde zikolaki ezibadde zitambula wano wennyini mu ggwanga lya Uganda. Kijjukwamu n'abaana abasinga adde tebabeera mu ggwanga lya Uganda adde babeera nnyo mu ggwanga ly'ebweru naye ng'ono abadde kafulu nnyo oba abadde musajja wa Kabaka nnyo era nga yalabikako ku kivulu kya Samisa Kisemakula era saawa kawo yalabikira wabula yagenda mu maaso okubeera nga akolaki nga abeera nnyo nga wagira ebintu bya Obwakabaka bwa Buganda. City tycoon and business mogul Dr. Hajji Muwanga Kibirige, better known as BMK, the proprietor of Hotel Africana, passed away on Friday morning as reported by Celeb Jazz. BMK died from Nairobi, Kenya after battling complications related to prostate cancer. Abasajja ono cancer atuluma nnyo the last 4 years. Sources from family and close friends told this website he has been hospitalized since 2019 nga banyonyoddeko munalabikako ku kivulu kya Samisa Kisemakula naye nga era omulaba obulwadde bumubala embiriizi. Born on 2nd October 1953, Hajji Muwanga Kibirige, commonly known as BMK, is a Ugandan businessman, entrepreneur and hotel owner. He has been one of the wealthiest people in Uganda. In 1986, BMK Group started a general trade and manufacturing company. 10 years later, in 1997, Hotel Africana was born with only 40 rooms. They have now expanded to 233 rooms and 30 serviced apartments on Coral Hill, a prestigious location within Kampala's central business center. A seasoned businessman, Hajji BMK started his business empire with 40-room motel, Hotel Africana on Coral Hill, which is within Kampala's central business center. During the next decade, the hotel grew into a 4-star establishment. Abasinga muzimanyi 4-star, 5-star, 6-star hotels. The hotel spreading across Africa boasts of several amenities that include a swimming pool, manicured gardens, and a conference center. African Conference Center with a seating capacity of 3,500 delegates. In addition to the hotel, BMK invested in real estate, construction equipment, motorcycle distributorship, and foreign exchange bureaus across East and Central Africa. He was also the founder of the phrase border border. A term he says was first used at the border of Uganda and Kenya when people used to cross on bicycle. He later introduced motorcycles imported from Japan, and the culture of border borders was born. According to 2012 published report, BMK was one of the wealthiest people in Uganda. He has been a chairman and managing director of the BMK group of companies whose member businesses include Hotel Africana with branches in Kampala, Moroto, and Zambia, BMK Motorcycles in Natete, Nairobi, Dar es Salaam, Kigali, and Lusaka, Hotel Africana Forex Bureau, BMK Construction Leasing Company, and the BMK Oil Equipment Company, among others. Last year, BMK, in a book he authored, would write My Story of Building a Fortune in Africa, in which he chronicled his business journey from a coffee trader in Masaka to a respected businessman in Kampala and on international stage. He wrote that in 1982, during his would-be maiden business trip to Japan, he lost and some money of $52,000 approximately to shillings 190 million after the briefcase was stolen at the airport. A thief grabbed the suitcase and ran as fast as he could, he wrote in his book. In addition to his private business interests, Blaimu Muwanga Chibirige has served in the following public positions. He is a former chairman of the Uganda Hotel Owners Association, WOW. He is a former board member and chairman Uganda chapter of the Ugandan North American Association, UNA. Currently, BMK has been the chairman executive board of Uganda Sickle Cell Rescue Foundation. In 2014, BMK was awarded a doctorate of theology in humanities at the United Graduate College and Seminary. In the same year, he received a Diaspora Lifetime Award for entrepreneurship in the East and Central African region. The businessman Empire currently has over 1,000 employees. May he so rest in eternal peace. That is a short profile of Dr. Hajji, Dr. Hajji Muwanga Chibirige. Thank you so much for listening in. We are going to keep you updated about the more so of his profile and where he did and what he did here on Celeb Jazz. Don't forget one of Africana abasinga abayimbi badde bakolerawo nnyo ebivulu byabwe era nga abasinga kubadde bakolera ebivulu baddeko Misa Kisemakula, kubaddeko omukulu David Lutalo, ba Spice Dana n'abalala bangi nnyo atulika the Rex of Radio and Weasel. So katukomaawo nako era tugenda kwata omubongero baleetera ebirala binyo bikwatagana ku mugenzi ne family ye.